Oh my fuck. Holy fucking shit. County 53, the house just exploded.
Feelings on you. Self-attached.
Well, I'm trying out when you put me up with, and I doubt that you have a clue yet what this is all
Still don't know where my character is. Hold on, I'm finding my character.
Alright, County Engine 63, we're going around.
Is anybody else coming in?
Oh. Oh, yes, you got it.
I'm figuring it out with the...
Awesome, my god.
I keep forgetting one so slow. No?
Alright, now you know what to do.
You'll swell the fucking gang in the park like that. Nearly blocked this in.
Well, because I panicked.
County Engine 63 on scene. I don't even...
That is a huge fire. Actually, I'm gonna go down here.
Give me a line. Oh, right.
There's a piece on fire right there. That's looking too good.
County, Tower 60 on scene.
Alright, get geared up and go in ASAP. This thing is smoking. Alright, quick.
County 63, one's on the left. That'd be Austin, Sonny.
Austin drove the engine.
The truck.
Sorry, did I say truck? My bad. An engine. They left this side.
She's still coming in. Got the phone up.
Can I get a second line,
Oh, you
please?
said command.
This speaker is not going.
Copy.
Oh, that was me.
Alright, the ladder's up.
Oh, never mind. It's Sonny with the crowbar.
Any other
Dude,
trucks
straight out.
incoming?
No more.
Repeat.
Rest of 68 on the way. Crew 5.
For the first time.
Alright, I'm gonna keep the...
Monster, I would've just let it burn. Oh, Sonny, your battery's dying on my end.
Oh,
I dinged it.
I'll scratch